So, Robin,
Yes.
where are you from?
I'm from Toronto, Canada.
Canada.
Actually, yeah.
And how old are you?
I'm 37.
Okay. What's your job?
I'm actually an athlete. I play professional basketball overseas.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, professional basketball player. Good. And you are coming from Canada because what's happened with you? What's the matter?
I got some lower back pain.
Uh-huh.
I think it's sciatic pain. And
On the left.
on my left side.
So localized only on the left side.
Yes.
Okay. So sciatic pain.
Mm-hmm.
And you were told me about also an important low back pain in the middle or more on the left.
It's slightly in the middle, but it's more so on the left side.
More on the left.
Yeah.
Okay.
And it's been giving me some. Been giving me some pain. Pretty much can't sleep. It's been hurting a lot.
Okay. Because I'm watching your magnetic resonance and we have an important protrusion between the last vertebra L5 and the first sacrum vertebra S1. So in the last part of the lumbar spine, but we are touching both roots. Both roots you can see. So we are just touching the roots, the nerve on the in this case is the right and this is the opposite, the left.
Okay.
But you feel more pain on the left. So this is very important for my diagnosis because I need to make any neurological test also about the sciatic pain.
Okay.
Okay, and did you have any surgeries in the past or any fractures, important traumas?
No surgeries.
Okay.
Just sprains, no surgeries.
Okay, sprain ankle, for example, ankle sprain.
Sprained ankles.
Yeah, sprained ankle.
To the knees.
The knees,
My right knee.
right knee,
Yeah.
from the game, from the match.
Yeah, so I was
Yes.
playing in a match and I dislocated my knee.
Is it your first time doing this kind of
This is
treatment?
my first time, yeah.
Okay, welcome to the club. I show you try to resist. I know it's painful, but what I mean with my test, I need to test also the sacrum. This is the last side that you can see here on the X-ray because in this case you have an horizontal sacrum. We need to reduce, so we will put it in a more physiological condition. Okay. Okay. You can take off your shorts. You can see he feels pain on the left side, and when he was walking, he was putting all the weight on the right side because he tried for the compensation to defend and protect the area. Okay, and you can see we have also stiff muscles right here, and we reduce the stiffness here. So there is you can see, look, we are more inflamed muscles on this area. And now please try carefully, I know it's difficult, but try to bend forward. Yes, a little. No, look, it's absolutely out of the normal condition. Don't worry, stop, it's enough. So it's very difficult to bend forward. Are you okay?
Yeah, I think I'm good.
Okay, bend a little your knees.
Yeah.
Eduardo, help me please. Yes, it's absolutely inflamed also the lumbar. You can see there, look at the line of the spine. It's out of the range, so we will correct all these conditions right now. Do you feel pain behind your back, on your low back?
My lower back, yeah.
Now we start. Okay, this is the right. Now let's check the left. Carefully. You start to feel pain?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
You already have pain. Okay, so we have the contact on the roots, and something is bigger on the left roots. Okay, we will approach the discal hernia. In this case, it's a protrusion, but the symptoms are the same of the hernia. I will start from the neck, just to be a little more comfortable for you, because it's your first time, just to see that the cracks are not painful, okay? So relax, perfect. Okay, very easy. The cervical spine is not a random technique, but I'm just starting to work on the compensations, because we have a cervical compensation, dorsal compensation, lumbar compensation, and then the pelvis. In this case, just because we are meeting for the first time, I will approach the cervical. Relax. Good. Have you seen? Very easy.
Yeah.
Yes, it starts to release a lot, also because this is linked with the lumbar condition through the spinal cord. I will explain you further how to approach both sides. Okay, so let's start with the compensation we have on the pelvis, so on the right side. Yes, don't help me. You have any suggestions about this? Don't help me. Leave.
Yeah, relax.
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 Che fantasy, relax. Something
Leave
more.
it to me.
Leave
It to me.
Leave it to me.
Yeah.
Okay? But don't help me, it's
Yeah, it works.
worse. Okay? Let's go. If you have any suggestion too, let's go. Yes, because I have my assistant from United States, from South Africa. The patient is from Canada, so I try to catch new words and new slangs. Okay, relax. Okay, don't help me. Just relax. Okay, drop your legs. Drop your legs. Look, I am on the pelvis, carrying off the lumbar spine too. I'm opening, just a little rotation. Okay, drop your legs. Perfect, outside. Yes. Good. Very easy. Now face up, and we are ready to work on the hernia. So take on to rest. It's very tall. Look, it's outside, oversized for our coach, because obviously he's a basketball player. So turn on this side, please.
Yep.
Yes. Okay. Perfect. Straighten your legs. Okay. Good. And now we are on the hernia. The protrusion is. You feel pain, eh? Yes.
Yeah.
Don't worry. Relax. Okay. Relax. Yes, I open just a little. Look, to make space. Now, drop your legs. You need to release as much as possible. Perfect, perfect, perfect. I protect you. Relax. Yes. Perfect. You okay?
Yeah, good.
Good. Take a moment to rest. Perfect. Now, I'm again on the iliac bone. It will be very easy, because you already reduced the compression. We have all the pressure on the discal disease. Now relax. Yes, perfect. I try to open more and reduce the iliac dysfunction. Perfect. I just check different spots, because I'm looking for the fulcrum. Nothing important. Yes, just a little one here. So I will approach the other side. Okay, relax. Don't worry, because your elbows don't bother me. So relax, relax, relax. Good. One more. Relax. Good. It's enough. Perfect. When the patient, Robin, when you are standing up, you are putting all your weight on the right side to defend and to protect the left side. Obviously, your spine start to be like this, because you say all on the right side.
Okay.
And then you correct on the dorsal spine to be not, the Pisa Tower. To avoid to be a Pisa Tower, you recover on this side. So I need to correct also the dorsal compensation.
Gotcha.
And now we are on this compensation on the dorsal spine. I have to admit that we have few compensation on the dorsal spine. We are more on the pelvis. but this is our fundamental too. So let's go. You can straighten your legs. Thank you, Eduardo. Help him because it's painful for him. Thank you. Relax. Oh, and this one was the most important compensation of the dorsal spine. Oh, now we have almost done our job. Take a moment to rest. No, we already reduced the compensation, so it's much easier now. Relax. No, nothing here. We have here. Relax. Relax. Perfect. And last here. Relax. Perfect. We got it. When we have a pressure and a compression here on the root, the nerve root, on the, in this case, on left side because of the protrusion, so the hernia right here, we have stiffness of the spinal cord touching the hernia, and we need to reduce the spinal cord condition. So I will start to approach also the upper back. Relax. Good. Turn on the other side, please. Perfect. Wonderful. And now, because I'm very old and I'm losing all my energies, I need young and powerful guys. So, Eddie, please, I need your help. Let's approach from the left side. So turn on this side, okay, and we will treat the sacrum. There is a little torsion, so let's try to reduce at the same time, yes, as much as possible. If you need help, Adriano and we will help you. Sure. If you feel uncomfortable with your private things, you can adjust, okay, because we need to push a lot.
Okay.
Okay. Eduardo started with me 2 years ago.
20 kilos ago.
20 kilograms ago. He was very skinny, and now after 2000 sacrum techniques, he's like a bodybuilder. He gained 20 kilograms.
15.
All natural, eh? This is the real job.
Yeah. It released, now I
Yes.
have to do the last one.
You need to pay me because you work and then you also work out.
So exactly what is this doing this piece?
Yes, good question. What we are doing? What are we doing in this case? We are treating. You remember the image I showed you in the X-ray?
Yeah.
We have this condition on your sacrum. Sacrum is the orange side, so the last lower back side. And we have this condition. We stay with a very horizontal
Right.
placed sacrum. We need to reduce, decrease, putting in more vertical, and
Right.
we do this kind of pressure because we are horizontal. Now we are on a vertical condition. So we bring down the sacrum,
Right.
and in this case we release the compression we have in the middle. So between L5, that is the fifth lumbar vertebra, right here, and the sacrum here. And when we do this, we open, you can see, we open the space between the two spots. So I think it could be enough. Thank you, Eduardo. And now, please, hold on tight to the edge, right here. We need to work with a hip strong technique. It's a powerful technique. Just relax, but hold on.
Okay.
Yes, I was expecting a dysfunction on the left. Absolutely not. We had on the right because it moved all the
The weight.
weight on the right side. So we have the neurological disease here, but the orthopedic and postural disease on the other hip. So relax.
Okay.
Yes, hold on. Yes, we got it. Deep inside. I feel myself like Bruce Lee when I do this technique because it's very important for the posture and the technique. I need to put all my energy in the specific technique. I am a Bruce Lee fan. I need to admit. Okay. And I think it's enough. So, please face up. Take a moment to rest. You can see it's much comfortable now. I prefer to check the condition and then we will work on the piriformis muscle just for the sciatic pain. But the cause of everything is just localized on the low back. So take a moment to rest. I will check a little the last technique on the cervical spine, not a random, I repeat, random technique, but to reduce the stiffness of the spinal cord between the low back pain, so the pelvis and the lumbar, 50 lumbar, and the cervical. Between these we have, and among all these structures, we have the spinal cord stiff. So, okay. Thank you. I need to work on the occiput. It's absolutely forbidden to apply traction because in this case we make more stiffness on the spinal cord. So just applying biomechanical technique, physiological parameters. Relax. Perfect. Don't worry. Yes, relax. Perfect. Good. And now other side. Yes, this is scary little. Look his expression.
Wow.
Take a moment. Take a moment. Last one. I am on the occiput. I already finished and stopped to work on the vertebra. Relax. In this case, a little correction, and we are done. Yes, more relaxed. Perfect. Don't worry. Good. I want to do a little test with you. You will stand up, you will find the best way to sit, and then you will tell us in a scale between 0 and 10 what's your sensation right now. So if you feel better or not, you can find a way, and then we will decide if we work on the piriformis muscle or not. Okay, up to you. You can sit. It's very important because sometimes the patient feels much better on the left side, but we need about 2 or 3 days to correct all the muscle dysfunction because we have this condition. So we reduce here, but then we need to reduce the opposite side. It's about 3 days, okay? Just a little stretching that we will show. So Eduardo, please inform him about the bending test exercise. Yes. Okay, let's see. Stand up and tell us how do you feel now. Do you spend how many days with this? Much better?
Yeah.
How do you feel? Lighter? What's? Tell us.
I think my movement's a lot more smoother. Less pain in my back on the right side, on the left side.
Left side, okay.
Definitely more mobile.
Okay.
I don't feel as much pain, or I'm not dependent on leaning on my right side.
You feel more balanced.
Definitely.
Definitely. Okay. Make a little stroll.
Yeah.
Yes, just to find again your more comfortable way to walk. Yes. What about the pain between the scale 0 and 10?
On a scale of 1 to 10, I'd say the pain is, before it was an 8. Right now it's I got a 4.
4. Okay, so we decrease the 50% of the pain. I think we can do better.
Yeah.
And it's time to work on the piriformis muscle. So last part, please. Lie on your back again. Look. Have you seen the way he's lie on the back? Much better. Have you seen?
Yeah.
He can bend the legs, no problem. Okay. Now, piriformis muscle. Our bodybuilder Edoardo will help us. And we go. We work as a real team. It's a very multidisciplinary team. Multidisciplinary is not easy. I'm proud of my improvements. And it's important because you can see all the links between physiotherapists, osteopaths, chiropractors, orthopedics, so many physicians, different specialistics.
Nice
figures.
work team.
And we work all together.
Painful.
A little bit. It's a little bit tight.
Yeah. Okay.
Is it bothering the inner side or not? Not perfect, because we need to respect the hip. If they feel the hip is comfortable, we can go on and stretch as much as possible. Adriano is very big, so help him please, because help him with the leg, because he's a very tall patient. Thank you. Yes.
Okay.
Hold him and let's go. You can see how it's difficult
There
to
you go.
stretch. A basketball player,
What am I, a dinosaur?
it's very tall, and that's why I prefer to making manipulations and avoid this kind of treatment. It's very, very difficult.
We're nearly finished. It's going great.
Yes, we are stretching all the piriformis muscle. It's very important, I want to show you, because the piriformis muscle is a very important muscle for the rotation of the hip. And we have this muscle right here going towards the hip. So we are here. But in this hole we have the sciatic pain. So when we have a dysfunction on the rotation of the hip, for example, sitting position on walking, the piriformis muscle will start to, how do you say, torture?
Twist.
Yeah,
Twist, yes, to twist. South Africa, USA 1-0. We start to twist the muscle and the nerve.
Right.
So you feel a lot of pain, and then you try to modify your soul, your way to
exactly
walk,
what I do, yeah.
and then you destroy your posture.
Gotcha.
And then we have the hernia and all the rest of the bad friends.
Nearly finished.
Try to resist.
Almost there.
We're going up. Slowly.
This is the last time he come to Italy. Okay. Thank you.
Okay.
Thanks, guys. Okay, now it's finished.
That's a great stretch. Cannot lie.
You need to answer. No, I don't feel pain. No, you said 4. This was the consequence. The punishment.
Fair enough.
Okay, you can sit and let's check. But I'm sure it will be much better. Okay, let's. Us know about the final feelings.
Fuck. Feels good.
But yes, you can feel it's much lighter the
Yes.
leg, no?
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
See how it feels. So
Good
much
job,
better.
guys.
So much better. Wow.
Nice.
Wow.
Now Edoardo will explain you 2 important exercises. You can also stretching exercise. You can also enjoy doing your basketball trainings match. So you will see it will be very useful. And you can do it right now. Also the rest of the treatment, the physiotherapy treatment. And let's say goodbye to our friends because it's done. So, like this. Are you okay? 3, 2, 1. Bye bye.